Morning everyone, this is DailyChilli. Today is episode number 36. I'm almost halfway of my goal for this year, which is 100. Let's see if I can make it. And today I'm just gonna talk about passions. No, actually it's not passion, it's do something a part of what you do in your daily routine. So for example, if you have a job, you can do something else, like push yourself to your own limits. I took this idea from a book that I read last week. It's called Side Hustle. I forgot the name of the author, but it's very interesting how people, it's very limited sometimes, and they just stay doing something they don't like to do most of the times, like a work that they hate. I'm very fortunate that I work doing something that I love, which is design and creativity. Sometimes could be very repetitive, but that's why I recommend to do something different from your daily routine. So this is the side hustle thing. So this is what I'm doing right now with this blog. And today's password for my daily journal is hustle. Yeah, so stay always hustle and hungry. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.